Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on your shirt. You don't believe in stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. Baby, you don't worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. Deserve good things, hands full of rings. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me. Yeah.
You deserve better, girl.
I know you deserve better.
We should be together, girl.
Baby, with me and you, it's whatever, girl. Hey, can we make this thing work? You should let me love you. Let me be the one, yeah. Whoa, baby, good love and protection, yeah. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, oh, love you, yeah. Oh, baby, you should let me love you.
All right, let us get the judges' thoughts, starting with Conroy.
Well, very suave, kind of engaging, and I see you put a lot into it. Again, it's one of those songs that you're, like Oryan says, you're cruising along, you don't hit the high seas, you're just going along with the flow. It was pleasant.
Anthony.
Yeah, it was the kind of song that somebody in your age group should have chosen. So you chose right. It wasn't like a vocal tour de force. It didn't sort of, transport us anywhere particularly. But it really wasn't all that bad. The young kids will like it.
Alaine.
Young and fresh, young and fresh, young and fresh. That is the vibe that I got from it. First of all, you look fly and, all of these things. You're a cute young man. And not only that, your voice is awesome. There are things that you're doing that anybody can do them someday. You see, like the things, me can't even do them because it's you to do them. And you're doing them so well. I think you represent the younger generation. You're going to set people on fire. People are going to follow what you do and want to be like you, want to dress like you. Yeah, I want a jacket there. I want to sing like you. And it just feels good. There's a feel-good vibe about you, Oryan, the constellation. Yeah, no, it's true. Something about you, there's a good energy around you. There's a blessing around you, and we can feel it when you sing. Great job. As I was impressed. It was entertaining, and you sounded great.